Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A53 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can enable dark mode and schedule it. Also, we can enable and schedule read mode for entire device or for custom apps. And in the end, we can enable or disable night light that we can also adjust. Next, we can change color temperature. And brightness level of the screen, manually or via automatic brightness. Next, we can manage full screen display settings, which means we can enable full screen mode for apps. Then we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes or never. And next we can change font size and font weight. Then we can change display size, enable or disable auto rotate screen. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.